you gonna try the seaweed chowder? Are you gonna eat seaweed? No. Maybe? Ah, maybe. Smells interesting. Water barrel. Dang. And we missed the big truck, but here comes the excavator. Where are they going? Good question. Excavators! Chowder! Chowder! Hello! Hey you! Digging a hole. This kind of seaweed looks a little different. As opposed to this kind that we usually see. Out in force. Another one.
There you go. Are you gonna play?
Hey, Chowder.
Get him, Eric.
He looks very much at calm, very much at peace.
He's very submissive. When he meets new dogs on the street, he always lays down.
Really? Hey, Chowder. Oh, afraid of big dogs. You want to play? It's okay, Chowder won't hurt you, really.
At least his tail up and stuff.
Yeah. Are you? Don't be afraid of Chowder. He won't do anything. Really. Eric. Eric. Hello. Let's see. Eric, come here. Come here, Eric.
Come say hi.
Oh, he's torn. And distracted a little. Oh, bird. Bird. Dog thief is at it again. Chowder, whose toy do you have now? He always does this. Finds something, doesn't want me to get it, so it just runs away. Oh, check this out. This is like a big stem of kelp or something. Enormous. We don't usually see these parts. We always get these other parts in the leaves. Look at that. It's huge. It's all tangled up. And what do we have here? Another kind even. Or is it? So it has the little bulbs. It's soft and squishy. The air bubbles that help to keep it afloat. Long, wiry, and the leaves are very, very flat. And the stem is flat too, so the leaves come out on either side, but not in the top and bottom. Don't run into me. Tireless. Are you playing tag? Oh, somebody's got the ball. You've got the ball, don't you? Where are you going, my friend? Oh, another piece of heavy equipment. I almost missed you. This is like the 5th piece today. Construction everywhere. Everything's going in that direction. Okay, this looks like the little guy all grown up. See if we can find that other guy. And what's this stuff? Yeah, they are all laid out. 3 different times. Chowder cam! John Deere. Beach King. Beach King. Oh, it's Beach King. Beach Cleaning Machine, Rockland. Come on. Oh, disobedient one.